Welcome to Table Manners, the show that uses daily items on dining tables to discuss science concepts. We use models, analogies, or new novel experiments to rediscuss science. Table Manners. Hey, do you watch the latest Spider-Man movie?
Of course! I love Spider-Man's superhuman strength. I wish I could get bitten by a spider and get mutated to become a superhero too.
Technically, it's not possible. That's not how mutation works.
Oh come on, are we really doing this? Don't spoil my favorite movie. Wait, so how does mutation work?
I'm glad you asked. To understand that, we first need to know what DNA is. Let's use this plate of sushi as an example. DNA is a substance that carries long-term memory of information required for organisms to reproduce. It contains the instructions for our body to be built the way we are. There are 4 types of building blocks in DNA structure: adenine, cytosine, guanine, and thymine. These building blocks are known as nucleotides. The sequence of these nucleotides is what forms the instructions to build our body.
So, a mutation occurs when the DNA is melted by the radiation?
Nope. A mutation is simply a change in the sequence. There are many kinds, but here are 4 simple ones. The point mutation, where a single nucleotide is switched. The insertion mutation, where a single nucleotide is added. The deletion mutation, where a single nucleotide is removed. Yum, yum, yum,
Hey.
yum, yum. The duplication mutation, where an entire portion of the DNA is copied again. Think copy and paste in terms of Microsoft Word. Radiation is one of the ways that mutation can start. Another way it can happen is naturally. Our bodies are constantly growing, and to grow we need new cells. To get new cells, we need to copy our original piece of DNA. Sometimes there are mistakes in the copying, and this is known as mutation.
Wow, mutation sounds scary.
Not all the time. Some mutations can be quite harmless. The information sent to our body from the DNA sequence is actually sent 3 at a time. Each of these 3 nucleotides form a set of instructions called a codon. The good news for us is that sometimes there are multiple ways to send the same instructions. For example, the instructions to make an amino acid called serine can be AGA, or AGC, or AGG, or AGT. It does not matter.
So, some mutations are more harmful than others?
Yes, point mutation is the least harmful. At the very most, it can change only one codon's instruction, like sickle cell anemia that has the wrong shaped red blood cell. For the other types of mutations, a frame shift may occur. This is when the inserting or deleting of nucleotides causes the body to read all the codons in the wrong frame. For example, the body was supposed to read this, but after an insertion mutation, the body now reads this. This causes lots of wrong amino acids to be made and can result in death.
That escalated quickly. So, does this mean I can still mutate my genes to become Spider-Man?
Maybe in a million years' time. Oh, Doctor Strange can help me travel through time? Let's just eat.